close that. Hi guys, my name is Madeline. Welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, and welcome back to Madeline's Avenue. If this is your first time, welcome. My name is Madeline. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button because guys, like, you clicked on this video for a reason. So you're here to stay basically. Okay, so today I will be cleaning my makeup brushes. Guys, I have not cleaned my makeup brushes in, like, please don't drag me, but I haven't cleaned it in years. The last time I actually washed or used some form of liquid to clean my makeup brushes was in the year 2018. And honestly, I don't know how my whole face has not just died, honestly, but I just want to, I mean, I guess I've used some form of liquid, right? When I clean it up with my makeup wipes, there's liquid on there, but like to actually use liquid to thoroughly wash it or clean it, I have not done that since 2018. It was actually my mom that cleaned it in 2018. Shout out to her because she's the realest MVP. I love you, mom. But yeah, today I'll be cleaning my makeup brushes and I'll be using this new product that I found. It's called Clean Secrets, I think. I found this on Sephora, and I've also seen I think it's either Mary Lee or the Annihilator use it in an IGTV video to clean their makeup brushes, so I decided to try it out. And yeah, let's just go through the whole process and just watch how I clean my makeup brushes that I haven't cleaned since 2018 in 2020, like a whole damn year, sis. Okay, let's get to cleaning. So this is what my makeup brushes look like before I have cleaned them. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more so you guys can see them clearly. So I have here with me the Cinema Secrets makeup brush cleaner that I will be using to clean my brushes. I also have the Makeup Pro container that I can also use to put the liquid in. I have my makeup brushes. I also have my 2 beauty blenders, and I have a bowl that I'll be putting in the liquid. So the first thing we will do is to pour some of the Cinema Secrets makeup brush cleaner into the bowl. After that, we will dip each brush and beauty blender into the bowl and see how well the cleaner works. Since this is my contour brush, there will be so much powder on it, so I will be changing the liquid and putting in a new one and then continue cleaning it.
So because this is a bigger brush, it consumes more liquid, and so I had to add more liquid to the bowl, and then afterwards I used a paper towel to squeeze out the remaining liquid in the brush. So this is what all my brushes and beauty blenders look like after I have finished cleaning them using the Cinema Secrets makeup brush cleaner.
So that is it for cleaning all my makeup brushes. Honestly, I would say, obviously, from looking at it, it didn't clean. Like, I guess for my beauty blenders, it didn't take out every single thing, but it did make it a lot better than before. But I'll be cleaning it more regularly, so that obviously things would look better and more of like the dirt would be gone. But yeah, I would say it really did the job. Another thing I would say is that it's really like, I would need a lot of liquid. I don't know if I'm using a lot of liquid just because I haven't cleaned it in so long, or because I would just generally need a lot of liquid. But yeah, I think that was like a good experience, honestly, and I would 100% suggest that you try it out if you have never used that to clean your makeup brushes. I think it's like a really good idea. And you don't need water to do it, right? So you just need that particular liquid. Another thing I was going to say is the ounce that I got, I think everything plus the little tin cost like $30, which, looking at it right now, I don't think it was like worth it, because like the whole thing is almost done. Maybe I didn't use it right, maybe I used too much of it when I'm supposed to use little. But I think next time I'll get like the really bigger one, because there's like a bigger one, and hopefully that one would be like better in terms of like longevity. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more nice beauty, lifestyle and fashion content for you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.